Welcome dear students. Today we will talk about mathematics of class 6, and now we are going to do a revision first, and this revision is based on chapter first. Basically it is revision of chapter first. Let's start revision. So dear student, let's see what is the question number 1 in this revision. So we are going to do here revision according to question wise. Okay, so let's see question number 1. Question number 1 says that what is the place value of 5 in 65,02,103. So here we have to find the place value of 5. So let's see here. See, the question number 1 is 65,02,137. So let's count the place value: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. This 5 is at the position of lakh, at the place of lakh. So that's why the place value of 5 is equal to 5 lakh. Okay. So see here, this 5 lakh is here. This B option is correct. Okay. So this B option is correct. Now we are moving to question number 2. Let's see question number 2. How many thousands makes a lakh? Okay, here we have to find that how many thousands makes 1 lakh. So here this 1 lakh can be written as, this 1 lakh is have 5 zeros. This is 1 lakh. See here, ones, tens, hundred and thousand start from 4th digit. If you will count 4th digit, so clearly you can see here that this 100,000 makes 1 lakh. Okay, if you will read this number in international number system, you will read 100,000. Okay, and if you will read this in Indian number system, then you will read 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is nothing, it's 100,000. Okay, if you will read it in Indian international number system, you will read it 100,000. Okay, moving to the next. Now read the let's see the question number 3. Question 3 says what comes just after 95 lakh, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Means 95 crore, 54 lakh, 54 lakh and 79,999. Okay, so what comes just after to this number? So the number which is just after to this number is successor of that number, and we can calculate this number by adding 1 to this number. Okay, let's see this question number 3. What it here, this number is given and we are adding plus 1 here, so it will be the 95,48,000. Okay, and see here you can see clearly that the B option is correct here. So right answer is B. Okay, B option is correct here. Now we are moving to the question number 4. So let's see question number 4. Question number 4 says what comes just before to 1 lakh? What comes just before to 1 lakh? So how we will calculate this? How we will calculate? See, the number which is just before to the number is basically a predecessor, and predecessor can be calculated by subtracting 1 from the number. So given number is 1 lakh, and if you will subtract 1 from 1 lakh, it will be 99,999. Okay, so here you can see that in the question number 4, 99,999, this B option is correct here. Okay, so B option is correct. Now we are moving to the next question number 5. In this question we have to find the difference of place value and face value of 6 in 786. Okay, so there is a number 786 and we have to find the difference of place value and face value of 6. See dear student, the face value remains same, the number looks like as, so let's see here. So the number is 786, and if you will find the place value of 6, the 6 is at unit place, so place value of 6 is 6, and face value remains 6, and when you will subtract these two, it will be 0. It will be 0. So right option is 0. So you can see clearly here that A option is correct. Moving to the next question number 6. The smallest number of 6 digit is. Okay, how you will calculate smallest number of 6 digit? So to calculate smallest number of 6 digit, what we will do here? Whenever you have to write any smallest number of any digit, you will take first digit as 1 and rest all digit will be 5, and it will be the smallest number of that digit. If you have to write the smallest number of 6 digit, then you will place 1, okay, 1, and you will complete rest all digit by putting 0. And if you have to find the smallest number of 8 digit, then you have to take the 1 and you will complete the number of digit by putting 0. So you can clearly see that the smallest number of 6 digit is 1 lakh, and smallest number of 8 digit will be 1 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 8th digit, smallest number of 8 digit is 1 crore. So you can see clearly the option A is correct. This option, question number 6 to A option is correct. Now moving to the next question, question number 7. The largest number of 5 digit is. Okay, so to calculate largest number, to write the largest number, we will put here as number of 9. Okay, if you have to write the largest number of 5 digit, you will put 5 9 together. If you have to calculate the largest number of 7 digit, you will put 7 9 there. Okay, so 5 nines will be here, and it will be 99,999. So right option will be in this question number 7. Right option will be answer B. Okay, which is 99,999. Okay, moving to the next. So let's see here in this question number 8. Question number 8. Which one is greater among the following? See here, here 3 numbers are given here. This number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 6 crore, 35 lakh, 21,047, and another number is 63. 6 crore 35 lakh 14,759 and 6 crore 35,000. Okay, so you see here, if the number of digit is greater, then the number will be greater. Okay, but here in this case, if you will see here, the number of digit are remain same. It has 8 digit, it also had 8 digit, and it also had 8 digit. So now compare the higher place values. Let's start comparing higher place value. To calculate higher place value, what you will do here? See here 635 here also 635 here, and here also 635 here. Again compare next digit, 6352, and here 6351, 6351. So these 6351 is smaller, and 6352 this is greater. Okay, so greater number at higher place value, so this number is greater, and you can clearly see this answer number, option number A is correct here. Okay, moving to the next. Now in this question number 9, see here, question says compare this number to this number, and you have to fill in this bracket. Okay, ignore whatever the filled here, you have to fill whether greater than or less than or equal to. So let's see. First you will see that their number, calculate the number of digits. If number of digits are same, then you will calculate, you will start comparing from right. Okay, from right means from higher most place value. Okay, so here 7 digit, and here is also 7 digit. Now calculate place values. 3 2 5, here 3 2 6. So this one is greater. Similarly, so you can say that this number is less than to this number. So this less than option is correct. Okay, B option is correct. Moving to the next. If you will move to the next, estimate the sum 57 plus 34 nearest to 10. Okay, you have to round off this sum and then you have to calculate the sum. Okay, let's see this question number 10. See here, this question number 10 is looks like this: 57 plus 34. If you will round off this 57, see here, this 7 is greater than 5, so it will be rounded to 60. Okay, and see here, this 34, 4 is less than 5, so it is rounded to 30, and when you will add this 60 and 30, it will be 90. So here the option A, option number A is correct. Okay, A option is correct here. Okay, similarly move to the question number 11. Question 11 says estimate the following difference: 53 minus 18 nearest to 10. 53 minus 18 nearest to 10. So to see here, this 53 minus 18. Okay, this 53 minus 18. 53, when you will round off this 53, this 3 is less than 5. So this 53 will be rounded to 50. And this 18, for 18 this 8 is greater than 5, so it is rounded to 20. Now you will subtract it, 50 minus 20, it will be 30. So right option is 30. Let's see the option. So you can see clearly that this option A is correct in this question. Okay, so in this way you will do revision for this chapter first. Okay, so you revise each and every question in this chapter first, and see, these revisions are very important for your unit first examination, for your UT examination, UT test. Okay, so be careful and be conscious and do your revision very nicely and very thoroughly. Thanks for watching this video.